Hey, this is Rush. In this video, I want to discuss the news about Oberlo shutting down and what it will mean to you as a dropshipper who's been using Oberlo to automate the dropshipping business. It should not really come as a surprise if you happen to have visited the Oberlo website anytime over the last year. They've pretty much had completely moved their entire branding and business model into more of a success blog and away from any kind of dropshipping automation tool. You couldn't even find a link to their Oberlo Chrome extension on their website at all. So now that Oberlo will no longer be usable by June 15th, I want to quickly go over Sell the Trend's offerings that have for many years not only completely replaced all of Oberlo's functionality, but have surpassed them in every aspect. So right off the bat, Sell the Trend is a Shopify partner and an official Aliexpress partner. And through our partnership, we're able to connect directly to the Aliexpress API and manage orders and do supplier inventory sync and all these other things really quickly on Aliexpress. So the plan for this video, I'm going to go through setting up and using our own Chrome extension. We will look at our innovative push-to-store product importer that will not only allow you to import products from Aliexpress, but also show you different product description ideas, which you can't really do with Oberlo. We will also see how our one-click order fulfillment works, which will allow you to fulfill orders much faster and smoother than any Chrome extension ever really could. We will also check out our Oberlo migration assistant. So if you already have a bunch of products imported to your Shopify store from Oberlo, you're going to be able to easily migrate them to Sell the Trend with minimal effort. We're going to also quickly touch on some of the things you will gain through Sell the Trend, like verified winning products and our new Shops platform, which is a complete replacement for Shopify if you are dropshipping. This specifically will be interesting for you if you are looking to completely eliminate the additional cost of a Shopify membership and all the additional fees that usually comes with having Shopify. So our Chrome extension will allow you to see similar things on the Aliexpress website as the Oberlo extension does. Like if a product offers free shipping and different costs for the product using Aliexpress standard shipping. I'll leave a link in the description for our Chrome extension as well. Now, similar to Oberlo, you'll be able to click on our logo here and it will import the product directly to your Sell the Trend import list. From there, we can add our product to our Shopify store. But here is where it gets more interesting. If, as with this product, we already have some product research available, then you'll be able to click on this button right here and get full product research data about this product, like how many orders it's been accumulating, as well as competition level for this product, etc. This data will allow you to make better decisions on whether this product is really worth even adding to your store in the first place. Now, when we want to add this product to our store, we will click Add to Store here, and here we will not be seeing those really bad Oberlo descriptions, which really nobody should be using for the dropshipping store ever. What you will actually see are the descriptions that are being used by other top dropshipping stores. That way you can be inspired and see exactly how those stores are setting up their product pages, and you'll be able to grab ideas and come up with really awesome product pages. Now that is leveling up. Now this page is actually our push to store page that I mentioned earlier. And here not only do we get to pick all the details for our product page, but we will get to see some additional details not available through Oberlo for the supplier, like the rating, as well as all the available shipping options to and from different countries, all directly within Sell the Trend. We don't have to go anywhere else. This, for example, will allow us to set the correct shipping for this product based on where we are planning to sell it. And of course, you get to edit the variants and remove any that you are not interested in, etc. Now, when it comes time to processing orders, again, our direct connection to the Aliexpress API is going to allow us to almost instantly process orders as they come in. We just click Order Product, pick the type of shipping we're interested in, and it only takes a few seconds for us to send all that order information directly to Aliexpress. Now, isn't that much faster and smoother than doing it the Oberlo way, where you're always running into issues with addresses not working, slow browser performance, and a host of other problems? And of course, once the supplier ships the order, we will automatically fulfill the order on Shopify and send out the email to your customers with the tracking number included. So if you made the decision that you want to move to Sell the Trend from Oberlo, we have also created a super easy way to migrate all your products from Oberlo directly to Sell the Trend. First, make sure you have our Chrome extension installed, and then head over to the product page on Oberlo and click the Migrate Product button. Really, it's that easy. And then we will go ahead and migrate your products along with the Aliexpress suppliers already assigned to that product right into Sell the Trend, so you don't have to do any other work. Now, I want to briefly touch on some additional benefits you will get by choosing to move your dropshipping business from Oberlo to Sell the Trend. And the really big one is gaining access to thousands and thousands of validated winning products in over 80 niches. And the reason I say these products are validated is because the winning products in the Nexus Explorer on Sell the Trend have extensive data to back up their claim of being winning products. We're not dealing with hope, conjecture, or some sort of fuzzy logic why we recommend these products. These products are backed up with multiple data points that you can see for yourself when you open up our product research tab. And also you'll be able to see Facebook ads. Now, the last thing I want to showcase is Sell the Trend Shops, which comes included with Sell the Trend, which is a complete replacement for Shopify if you are running or thinking of starting a dropshipping business. With Shops, you can spin up a dropshipping store and stock it full of winning products from any niche you like in literally 5 minutes. Not only does it look great, but also comes with included marketing add-ons like real customer product reviews and currency converter right out of the box. So you don't need to spend any additional monthly Shopify app fees. So the stores that you create with Sell the Trend Shops are going to be conversion optimized and mobile ready right out of the gate. Now, if you're happy with your Shopify subscription, that's awesome. You can use Shops as a quick way to test out new niches and eventually open up a new Shopify store and manage it directly within the same Sell the Trend account. So again, you don't have to go anywhere. So that is the video. Hopefully I've given you enough to think about, and either like a lifeline if you're an existing Oberlo user, or at the minimum something to think about if you are weighing your options now that Oberlo is going to be shutting down. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and make sure to like the video so we can spread the word on some alternatives for people who are looking to migrate away from Oberlo. Now, I look forward to seeing you on Sell the Trend, and I will leave a link in the description on how you can get started with our 100% zero risk free trial if you want to test out the app for yourself. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.